Hello everyone, I'm going to teach you the song Naughty Pussy Cat. Naughty pussy cat, you are very fat. You've got butter on your whiskers, naughty pussy cat. What other things could the cat have on the whiskers? Naughty pussy cat, you are very fat. Chocolate. You've got chocolate on your whiskers, naughty pussy cat. Let's do one more. What else could the cat have? Pizza. Naughty pussy cat, you are very fat. You've got pizza on your whiskers, naughty pussy cat. Have fun and practice at home.